Hey guys, Tim Coates here with Adonis Automotive. Really excited to show you guys this project we've been working on for the past week. It's got quite the makeover. It's a midnight silver metallic. It's a Tesla Model 3, but we did quite a few modifications to it to not only protect the paint, but also change the look. So let me give you a quick walk around and show you how cool this car looks. So this is a full body satin paint protection film wrap. Full chrome delete with 3M 1080. Full badge blackout. And we actually use jet black Bentley paint with a really high gloss clear. So you can see it doesn't get much cleaner than that. Of course, our signature wrap includes all wrapped edges and corners. So it's a very, very seamless install. No gloss showing, which is important for these kind of wraps. But just the sparkle of this paint is just stunning with the satin film on it. All wrapped around. Really, really excited and pumped about this project. Definitely a labor of love. Very, very time consuming, but completely changes the look of the car. This took us probably about 75, 80 hours start to finish. We also did a full ceramic coating on top of the wrap, which not only protects the film, but actually deepens the satin look and makes it even easier to maintain the wrap. So there's no need to have to wax or seal the wrap. It's a one-time thing, but also makes cleaning it a lot easier because it becomes very, very hydrophobic and dirt repellent. This trunk's done in one piece. No seam across the back. All edges wrapped around. And with our chrome delete, as you can see, very, very clean. No edges lifting. No jagged corners. Nothing that's gonna start lifting over time. Which is very, very important because you don't want to have to keep dealing with edges lifting, especially on a brand new car like this. Also received our Spectra PhotoSync tint, and this tint will block over 98% of infrared heat from coming in the cabin. This is our 35% shade. Adds a very, very cool sleek look to the car, but also gives you industry best heat rejection. And we did it 75% here on the windshield. They got me in the reflection there. So yeah, this is a cool project we just wrapped up. Client's coming by to pick it up today. Excited about how this turned out. Absolutely pumped. Any questions, feel free to call, email us. Would love to talk to you if you have a Model 3 and any other vehicle and looking to do kind of a similar process. We're gonna be putting together a package for something like this just because this thing turned out so great. I want to see many others on the road with a similar setup. Have a good day, and I'll talk to you guys soon.